Yeah?
Good to go.
What we have here is a Q5 tire. We're changing, okay?
Sounds good.
So you want to make sure the valve stem is at the very bottom, so that way you don't damage it. If there is a sensor. And you break the bead like so. Very pleasant. You spray some lube. The more. Then you flip it around.
Beautiful.
Oh, quite pleasant. No struggling whatsoever.
What's the spraying for?
The spray is to so it doesn't bind.
Oh, I
Okay.
see.
Now you lift it out. You use your knee. You know, you put it on your upper thigh here. You just lean back and go like that.
Yeah, right in between those.
Bam.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, you put that down. You spray it. Keep it nice and lube. Just soapy water, guys. Just soapy
Yeah.
water.
Soap and water.
When you do the tire, the valve stem, you want to be here so you don't damage if there's a sensor.
A little bit of a gap.
Yeah, and you just, you know, go like that. Kind of wiggle it out a bit. And then there she goes.
Beautiful.
And then same spot, valve stem here. Okay. See, without the lube, it would
Yeah.
bind.
It would be harder to take
You
out.
would have a hard time. Okay?
Look at that. Beautiful.
Okay. And there she goes. What I usually like to do, like put some lube, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, let me get you a tire. It's a snow tire. Winter tire, because it's winter in Canada right now. It's that time of the
Yeah.
year. So you lube it. This one happened to be inside outside.
Yeah.
Just like that. This is outside. Okay. Very important. The valve stem opposite, okay? So that way you don't break it. And bring it back.
Oh, very well.
Like so. You have to press this down. Your left hand over here.
Like that.
Okay.
And
You gotta
just
use
feed
some
her.
of,
Yeah.
Muscle.
Beautiful.
Muscle, you know. A little bit of muscle. Some elbow grease. If not, you can use the tire bar.
Mm-hmm.
And there you go. With the lube, it's easy to pop. You don't need a lot of air.
Mm-hmm.
Watch your ears. There you
Beautiful.
go. So set it to whatever pressure you want. Up to you.
This one is at what?
Somewhere in between 35 and 40.
Sounds good.
And there it is.
Look at that, ready to balance.
Ready to balance. That's another video. Thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah, good
Thank
stuff.
you.